Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to insert an image to your document on the Pages application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an image that we will be uploading to the documents Pages. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way on to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Pages application, open up the Pages application, and now let's go to File, Open, navigate to the desktop. There we see Documents.Pages, open up. As you can see, we have some text from the previous tutorials on the document, so we can now minimize Pages for the moment. Now let's go all the way on to the dock, go to Finder, let's go to Pictures, and there I see the Mac computer on screen. Let's now right click, copy, let's close out of Finder, let's paste this to the desktop. There we have the Mac computer pasted to the desktop. Now let's go all the way on to the dock again, go back to Document.Pages, and now let's drag and drop the image into the pages that we are working on. We can zoom out if we wish to, take the image, drag and drop, and there we go. The image itself has now been added to the document Pages. If I wish to move this image around, I can hold the image and now move the image around just to align it in the center, on the right, or towards the left. We'll just keep it on the left for the moment. Enter a couple of times to go to, let's just say, the next line. If I go to Media, Photos, this will directly allow me to pull an image from the Photos application. If I take the latest exported image, drag and drop that onto Pages, decrease the size of the image, and there we go. So Command S to save. Now let's quit Pages. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.